Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Audi A4 service due message. First, turn on your car's ignition without actually starting the engine. Next, find the trip reset button, usually located on your instrument cluster. You'll then need to press and hold this button for a few seconds until the display changes. This initial step is crucial for accessing the service menu. Make sure your car is not running during this process. Once you've held the trip reset button, the service menu should appear directly on your car's display. Now, you'll use that same trip reset button to scroll through the various options presented. Carefully navigate until you find an option labeled something like service interval or service reset. This is the specific setting we need to adjust. Take your time to ensure you select the correct menu item. After you've highlighted the service interval option, press and hold the trip reset button once more. This action will confirm your selection and initiate the reset process. You should then see a confirmation message appear on your display, indicating that the service reminder has been successfully reset. Finally, turn off your car's ignition completely to ensure the new settings are saved and applied. To complete the process, restart your Audi A4 and check the instrument cluster. The service due message should now be gone, confirming a successful reset. Remember, performing regular maintenance is key to preventing these reminders and keeping your car in top condition. For other great deals and to upgrade your clean game, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum link in the description below. It offers voice control, self-emptying, and is pet-friendly, making your life easier.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.